Alright, so moving on to the next subtopic, that is your plant anatomy. Now, plant anatomy will contain studies related to plant cell structure, organizations, organelles, cytoskeleton, cell wall, and membranes. Apart from this, you will also have to deal with the external anatomy of a plant, that is involving root, stem, leaves, moving further into the meristems, the vascular system, their ontogeny, structures, functions, secondary growth in plants, and the stellar organization. So, all of these topics, I'm sure you have studied somewhere in your botany, be it at the school level, or if you had it in your 11th and 12th standard CBSE or NCRT textbooks, or even the state boards. They do have a fair coverage, enough amount of coverage on topics related to plant anatomy. However, even despite of having a good amount of basic information, sometimes we skip out the information which has minute details. That is what we call as extensive learning. We all perform intensive learning where we study the topic in detail, try to understand each and everything that is given into it. But that limits our knowledge to what is provided. Extensive learning is when we reach out to the topics which are the fringe topics attached to the central idea. So you have to pay attention to the details of these topics because the basics you already know. Now, related to the books that you can refer for the same is James A.J., that is Introduction to Plant Anatomy. This is available through McGraw-Hill publication. Then you have Esau Catherine. The title of the book is simply Plant Anatomy. Then there is another book that is Physiological Plant Anatomy by Haberland G. All of these books, and also I'm sure there will be many books on plant anatomy available widely in your college library or any other library that you are referring to. Most of the books will provide you sufficient amount of information. There is no specific choice on a particular given book related to this subtopic in specialty, because it's a well established, well known topic, and good reference books are available for the same. Now, point to be noted for studies over here is that if you're dealing with plant cell structure, then please start drawing the entire plant cell. When you are studying the organization, write about or draw the organization while you are trying to study it. Draw the various organelles along with their ultrastructure within the diagram itself. Components of cytoskeleton, you can just simply go on marking, draw simple schematic diagrams and simply go on marking all of the important structures that you are dealing with. So this will help you memorize all of the important aspects, all of the important terminologies that you need to know related to plant cell structure. The same thing will be followed when it comes to anatomy. So you can draw simple schematics of a plant where you will be drawing its external anatomy, root, stem, leaves, then go on expanding the diagram by detailing out on the roots, detailing out on the stem, show TS and VS. While you are studying, keep drawing them simultaneously side by side. So, in this way you can visualize your diagrams, you can visualize what you are studying, and this is definitely going to help you in retaining all of this topic. One good thing about this section is that students usually don't suffer or struggle a lot in memorizing, because the basics have already been dealt quite far. So you just need that little extra push to brush up the new things or any new topic which is coming into consideration for your plant anatomy. So I guess this should suffice for your plant anatomy related studies.